Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about the importance of security penetration testing for businesses. One of the major risks businesses are facing worldwide is hackers exploiting vulnerabilities that exist in their IT infrastructure. As technology and interconnectivity are growing, the landscape of cyber threats is also growing. To avoid hackers getting inside your internal network and using it for their gain, businesses need to perform regular security penetration testing. Let's discuss about the benefits of conducting regular security penetration testing. 1. Identify vulnerabilities before hackers. 2. Comply with industry standards. 3. Meet shareholders/client needs. 4. Maintain customer trust and reputation. 5. Prevent data breaches and financial loss. Types of security penetration testing. Web application penetration testing. Mobile app penetration testing. Network penetration testing. Cloud penetration testing and IoT device penetration testing. Let's move forward the security penetration testing process. 1. Gathering information. 2. Planning. 3. Automation scan. 4. Manual penetration testing. 5. Reporting. 6. Remediation support. 7. Retesting. 8. LOA and certification. For security penetration testing services, contact us today.